So you, a hacker, enter this website. Let's say it's a simple website that lets you bang some server. Pretty cool and harmless, right? Wrong. To understand what command injection really is, you need to know what happens in the back. When you execute a command like this in this terminal, here for example, I'm gonna execute who am I, to know what the username is. When you wanna execute another command at the same time, on Kali you put the OR operator and add the second command, just like this. The website's backend says let's bing this website. Bing and then the IP address, which is the thing you're gonna enter, right? Cool. What if instead of putting a normal IP address, we put an IP address then an OR operator? If this server is vulnerable to command injection, when you enter the IP address, then the OR operator, you can add another command to it. You can say who am I, for example, to know the username, or you can use a much more dangerous command like cat /etc/pass wd, which is gonna show us their whole passwords, their username, and boom, they're dead. Now let's try this on a real website. This is a lab by Boardswagger. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. This simple website checks if an item is in stock or not. When we check it, it returns the quantity. Well, if we intercept this with Burp Suite, you're gonna see that we have here two parameters. One checks for the store ID and the other checks for the product ID. Let's try to put an OR operator. I have some kind of error right here. We can maybe try to play with it a little. Let's write the whole my command like I explained before. And yeah, it works. We're beat her. Now let's see their passwords. It's as easy as that. You can also create a reverse shell, but I'm on YouTube, I don't think I can show you that. Also, this video is for educational purposes only. Hacking is illegal. Also, if you've wondered how to create your own password cracker, you can check this video right here. Yeah, see you in the next video.